What is up, people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, for the ones who are visiting this channel for the first time and watching my video for the first time, this channel is all about the lesser known tools that would help you increase your digital productivity, and most of them are free, guys. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon besides that, because I keep on making this kind of videos on a daily basis, and that would just help me to keep you updated about my videos on a daily basis. Well, to start with today's topic, so I've recently started this playlist, a series on my channel named as Quora Answers, wherein I go ahead and answer the questions asked to me on my Quora account from my users or the followers that I have, or the followers that I have on my space. Well, if you have not joined my space on Quora, the link is in the description below. You can go ahead and check it out, and make sure you follow that particular space and ask me as many questions as you can. Well, to start with today's question is being asked by Sumit Dev, and the question is, which is the best application to create creative marketing posters online? So Sumit, I would like to say that currently I have used actually Canva, and as you say that there is an application that you need. So between Canva and Spark Post, I would like to go ahead with Spark Post, because comparatively with Canva, Spark Post is much better. It's much more easier. It's free, and Adobe's. So Adobe Spark Post is the application that you will figure out on Android and iOS devices altogether. The best part about Adobe is that you can actually create some short videos as well. Of course, the videos won't have a voice in them, but you can actually create some intro videos. Like you can check out the intro video of this particular video. I have created that on Adobe Spark Post. Well, that was about it from my end. I hope I answered this question of yours in a good manner. If you like this particular video, please go ahead and hit the like button, guys. If you're watching this particular video on my Instagram account, the link is in the bio for my channel. And if you're watching this on my Quora account, make sure that you upvote this particular answer if you find this answer helpful. I'll be back with another question or another answer for you guys. Till then, keep watching my channel and keep geeking.